We are now at the Nader Hassan Gallery on Dundas, and this is an exhibition that they've got here. You can see the dead bird on the Canadian flag here. Some kind of a all these poor little dead birds and dead cats because of eating dead birds, maybe. And pigeons. Oh, could you read what it's all about? Whippersnapper.ca?
Whippersnapper.ca. And you can email them at general@whippersnapper.ca.
Okay. So Jive Bunny reporting on Dundas, this horrible exhibition at the Nader Hassan Gallery 24/7. Have a good evening.